curious on that. You know what? You guys gonna pay me if I explain this?
You're already getting paid. Yeah.
Already getting paid?
More than enough.
I grabbed the one piece of the rubber.
So you won't leak. It's like they put a rubber. Hey, listen, first, you guys gonna pay me? I think you guys asked some more questions now.
No, but for real, what is that?
So they put that around it so it wouldn't leak because it's gonna be alive when he's gonna drill it, and it has pressure on it.
Doesn't matter the angle, right? You do whatever I do?
You do whatever you do. Once you get it in, I'll hook it up. Yeah. And they're not supposed to put it in line. These guys are good at it. They're supposed to straight up. Because that electric is in the way. That cable. There he is. It's in the way.
Yeah, Stefan. Oh, what's up, bro? I didn't know you were there either.
He's hiding.
You guys had a rough commute today, huh?
Yeah. We asked for
What's that?
we asked for a map like a month now. And these guys come and tell me they didn't know where the map is. They couldn't get a map here. There it is, the 18 years. They turned into 18 years. That's wrong, Mike. I think
I'm going to show you the map. I'll show you the map.
Yeah, I don't think that's right. I think that's wrong.
He wants the picture on the wall of him over there.
Yeah.
He wants to be on the wall.
Me and him gonna be on the wall. I'm on the wall.
I didn't see
That's what we were looking for. He said, Rob got to be on the wall. You got a new truck over there, I see.
Yeah.
Had to drive here.
Huh?
You had to drive here.
We got a new truck. I got my. This is 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 north. No, property line.
Oh, probably.
5, 10, 15, 20. South of the north.
Say that?
Teaching us shit.
I'm still learning myself.
Once you come up, it's a like.
So guys, isn't that amazing? Look what's happening. Maybe who needs a quarter water. That's about it.
Oh, you see what it was?
It's like a periscope or a submarine.
You gotta close the flap. Once you close that, the water stops. So you take the cap off.
They got a chamber in there. You close it out, close the valve flap. Then he opens the top. Hey, maybe you use the half gallon.
Oh, no, man.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
There we go.
Let's fuck up. Is that what I'm talking about?
I just fucking
Turn the camera on.
Is it a chain?
No, it's just this fucking flat thing. Fucking.
You guys got the checklist?
Yeah. I don't think.
Not hold
Not
it.
yet.
I hope this is.
I stopped like that.
No.
Hold up.
Oh, you did not training. Exactly.
Pull it up with the 4.5.
What's that? What's that?
Ask him, ask him.
You got it.
Keep filming, keep filming. Keep filming. You can always edit out the big guys. All good? Hit it with the tap of the diamond. No, the
She's fucking me.
Garbage.
That's stinky. That shit stinks.
Garbage.
I think he used to live on over in Hell Beach,
He
right?
still lives there, yeah.
I did a job many years
Yeah,
ago.
it's a fucking motherfucker. I don't know why he's special.
I'm gonna hold it up. I'm gonna use it.
Yeah?
That's good.
Got it?
I'm gonna get up here and figure out the
There you go.
Oh.
That's how it's supposed to work.
That's a trick. Oh, you don't know the settlement?
I held it up and then we started spinning.
Sometimes once you get like a little, you break that seal, it catches. I don't
So
know.
the top is on that thing. This is the top.
There's a hole now that we just filled in there and then just like, go right in. I guess I don't have to come out and do them no more.
Don't worry, all right? We're gonna have these girls go out. But they show up late every day to work. I don't know, they might be late every day. They're late every day.
Yeah, they're late every day?
Not me.
They're late every day, so we might be late for our top.
That's okay. You always need more time. Oh. Fight back, man.
Yeah, lucky, these guys wait for us. They want to book 2-inch top same day.
Sir?
So we're putting in a service for this. They got some drain fan. We're gonna have water from it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna park all the van. Gonna be parking there.
Really?
Yeah, we're putting in that little.
Oh, this is your lot right here? This
Yeah.
part of yours?
Yeah, the top is this for us. They get inspection complete.
Oh, thank you, sir. There it is.
Put in the curve down one more time.
The shoulder. There it is.
Bring it to the
That's it.
Okay, so you want to know what is in there? Why you stand over there?
Andre. Well, obviously that's what he's telling you to go.
Try to stand up over there for me.
Oh,
Let's see if you have water.
You ain't that one? I know to get out of the way.
So you see it's alive.
Guys,